Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Starbuck, a quiet prairie town in Manitoba with a name that often surprises people. This community began to take shape in the early 1900s when the railroad came through, making it an important stop for local farmers. The town may have been named after Starbuck, Minnesota, or possibly after a railway official, no one's quite sure, but the name stuck. Starbuck grew steadily with the help of agriculture, especially grain farming, and it remains deeply connected to that way of life. The La Salle River runs nearby, adding a peaceful touch to the landscape and helping the area thrive in earlier days. You'll spot a few historic buildings, wide streets, and grain elevators that speak to its prairie heritage.
Thank you very much.
Whether you're passing by or just curious about life on the prairies, Starbuck is a place with heart and history. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Starbuck, Manitoba. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months.
Thanks for watching!